Hello, it's Nico with Food Cravings, and today it's something special. I'll be teaching you how to grill swordfish on a cast iron grill, of course. Here I have one medium-sized swordfish steak marinating for about 4 hours in the refrigerator with my secret Cajun rub. Next, we'll need a screaming hot cast iron pan, preferably on high heat. But wait for the sizzle! You'll notice I placed this directly in the pan with my bare hands, but you should use tongs for your safety, so don't try this at home. I've been doing this all my life, so I'm used to the heat. Now here's a bunch of pro tips and the technique behind this to get it completely cooked perfectly, where it's not too dry and not raw in the middle either. While the pan is still hot, keep it on high heat as is for about 2 minutes before flipping it over on the other side, as you can see here. And the trick to knowing when it's time to flip this is going to be when the meat gives a little. You have to feel it with your tongs, and when it has that give and you feel it coming away from the pan easily, that's the time to flip it. You have to cook fish like you would beef, medium. You don't want it too raw in the center, and you don't want it too overcooked, or else it'll dry out. Here I flipped it over a total of 2 times to give it cross marks, as you see. And if you want it cooked more, you can leave it for 1 minute extra on each side. Next, it was finally time to plate it up, topped with my own béarnaise sauce and capers, alongside steamed asparagus and of course rice pilaf, or just plain pilaf. If you've seen my shish kebab video, there is a bonus recipe there that features how to make rice pilaf. So I hope you've enjoyed this as I go in for a taste with a little bit of béarnaise sauce and a piece of fish. I just love swordfish. And at first bite, I was able to taste the moist, tender meat. It was to die for. This melted in my mouth. It was like amazing, I'm telling you. So the proper way to grill fish is no more than 4 minutes on each side, with ample resting time for about 10 to 20 minutes, so that the residual heat will continue cooking the meat through, and you will have a moist and tender piece of fish that you and your guests or family members will be sure to enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed my techniques video of how to grill swordfish. For ingredient amounts and more info, as usual, please visit www.chefnico.blogspot.com. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video recipe.